The presidency on Sunday faulted former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, who is advocating for gradual reforms rather than President Bola Tinubu's direct approach. It said Atiku's economic ideas would have flung Nigeria into a worse situation. The presidency addressed the tweet by Atiku in a statement titled, "Our initial response to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar." Onanuga response to Atiku's tweet in which he described Tinubu's reforms as a trial and error economic policy, blaming the president for the excruciating pain Nigerians are suffering. The 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party also lamented that while he's not the president, his suggestions are in the interest of Nigerians. Recall that upon assuming office in May 2023, Tinubu discontinued the regime of fuel subsidy and unified the foreign exchange, which led to the increase in food prices, transport, fuel, and other essentials. In his tweet titled, "What we would have done differently," Atiku, a former vice president who served alongside former President Olusegun Obasanjo from 1999 to 2007, outlined his recommendations for addressing issues such as insecurity and easing the effect of subsidy removal on the masses. In response, Onanuga wrote, "First, Alhaji Atiku's ideas, which lacked details, were rejected by Nigerians in the 2023 poll. If he had won the election, we believe he would have flung Nigeria into worse situation or run a regime in cronyism." Abubakar lost the election partly because he vowed to sell the NNPC and other assets to his friends. Nigerians haven't forgotten this, nor would they be comforted by Atiku's antecedents when he ran the economy in the first term of President Olusegun Obasanjo's government between 1999 and 2003. The presidency argued that Atiku's advocacy for a gradualist approach only showed that he was not in tune with the enormity of problems inherited by President Tinubu. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.